It's Monday, and you know what that means. It's time for at least another unboxing, if not a first impression video as well, tagged along with it. And well, you're probably looking at the screen, seeing 5 different devices, and saying to yourself, Penick, why do you have your 5 most recent devices on the screen at the same time? Well, let's find out right after this. Hey fam, Swati Tukongkrap Penick here. And if we look at the screen, as I mentioned in the intro, we have 5 different devices. These are the 5 most recent devices that I've reviewed. We have the traditional vertical handheld that looks like a Game Boy. We have the traditional large screen handheld like the Steam Deck. We have the sliding form factor RG Slide that is a horizontal handheld, but of course unique because it slides. We have our traditional smaller horizontal handheld, and we have a vertical handheld in the Magic X040 that's vertical in screen but acts like a horizontal because you have the controls on the side. And the thing they have in common, of course, is simply that they were the 5 most recent devices. So I wanted to just kind of bring this out because I wanted to do a 6th different form factor this week, at least in general speak. So is it going to be a vertical handheld? No, it's not going to be a vertical handheld. Is it going to be another specialized vertical handheld / horizontal handheld? No, it's not going to be that. Is it going to be another big device like this? Nope, it's not. Is it going to be a traditional sized horizontal handheld? Nope, it's not. Is it going to be a sliding device? No, it's not. It's not, even though this is really cool. No, it's not. This is going to be the TrimUI Model S. I don't know if you can see it right there, Model S. This is a credit card sized micro console. So I wanted to have something different. I figured why not bring out my first ever micro console. So of course, it being micro, you could see the box was the same size as the RG Slide. You still get USB-A to USB-C, albeit quite short, just like the device. TrimUI does give us a manual, and believe it or not, we get some colors involved. It's not just gray tone. I appreciate that. And it's 100% in English. Good. Even talks about earphones. Interesting. Now, as you can see, this is my first time opening this device as well. As always, for my unboxings, because I wanted to give you the first experience the same time that I do. So, as I said, this is about the size of a credit card. So let's open it up. Oh, okay, this is really cool. Of course, they have multiple colors for the backplate, and red is my favorite color, so I went with that. See, there's 32 GB card, but it's a microSD card slot, so you can do that. And then the front is perfectly clear. And I'm sorry, my fingerprints are already getting all over the screen. Forgive me. So if memory serves me correctly, this is a 2-inch screen. We actually do get right and left trigger. So that 8-way D-pad, the four-way face button that are a bit clicky. And then I'm not sure about these buttons here. I'm going to have to look this up. But let's hope it has some juice, because again, I haven't tried it. But we do have USB-C down here, because again, it is a modern device. Okay, and here's the power button. Okay, it's just a power switch. Nice. A little LED light there. Let's see if we got anything. There we go, TrimUI. So obviously there are no thumbsticks on this, and it's a mono speaker there. Like I say, power button there. There must only be a hard or a software-based volume. And as you can hear, we do have some volume, so I'm going to turn that down if I can figure it out here. Settings. There we go. Volume. Yep, those max out. Perfect. Easy to change the brightness as well. I don't know how bright it is. Let's take a look. Not the brightest screen, but again, what do you expect from a device this size? There we go. Turn it down so you can see it a bit better. I'm not sure about these buttons yet. Interesting. All right. Let's go back. That game. No, I don't want to look at that. Game. Of course, we have very clicky buttons, but I wouldn't expect anything different for this size. I mean, like say, like a few credit cards stacked. Love the red on the back. Looks really cool, really unique. Games. I guess maybe there's no games pre-installed. Of course, you just have to know this is a retro game. Okay, there we are. So it's under retro game. See, again, I appreciate that they include PlayStation potentially, and they do, but without the thumbstick, you're only playing like the first generation of PlayStation games to make that work, as far as I can imagine. Got some Harvest Moon for those Harvest Moon fans. We even have Pepsi Man, Resident Evil. Again, Resident Evil without sticks seems a bit difficult. It's hard enough with sticks because of the inverted controls. Let's check out the Japanese Pepsi Man. Okay, so that does that. Okay, continue. And this isn't going to be anything powerful. I believe it's only a 600 milliamp hour battery. Because again, look how thin that is. It's almost comically thin. But because it is so thin, even though it's square, still feels really good in the hand. I'm excited as, like I say, this is my first ever micro console. If you're not familiar with micro handhelds or micro consoles, general rule of thumb, anything less than 3 inches, so 2.9 inches and less diagonally, you're going to be dealing with a micro console. 3 to 5 is generally considered like standard size. Then you have 5 to 7 considered large, and then like a full size handheld console would be the 7 inches and above. This is interesting. They have a little bit video of a guy drinking Pepsi. Maybe he turns into Pepsi Man. Maybe I should have continued watching that. But again, this is my first time seeing this. I don't know if I can turn up the volume without leaving the game. Pepsi Man. Let me know down in the comment section below. Are you Team Pepsi or Team Coke as far as pop/soda/fizzy drink? Love to hear what everybody is. Apparently, Pepsi Man loves his Pepsi. A little too much, apparently. Okay, yeah, you can turn up the volume from here. Good. Appreciate you don't have to exit out of games to play. So middle button brings up that quick action menu. Well, this must be the loading screen too. I'm not sure what our mission objectives are here. Maybe just collecting the Pepsi cans because he's addicted to his Pepsi. Oops. I guess you have a timer to get as many as you can. Oh, geez. All right, interesting, interesting. So that's Pepsi Man. Okay, and then you can exit game. Beautiful. So I'm not going to make this one long. Doesn't deserve to be long because it is a smaller console. I'm glad that they include it. I love transparent shells, as you know, and this is as transparent as you're going to get, even if it is a bit clickety and clackety. And red is my favorite color. They have other colors like blue and black, I believe, but I went for red just because I'm a red fan. Yeah, there you go. TrimUI Model S. I wonder where they got that name from. But other than that, I mean, like I say, this is a pretty simple device, has torque screws, looks like 4 holding it in place. So I'm going to play around with this for the week. I'm going to take it to church and see what they think of it. And I'll let you guys know in my short-term review what was the consensus on the TrimUI Model S. And until next time, this has been P-Nick.